Mwancho murigeria mbia mana soko choregeta seni kiago gien soko TV hasobot ko bwa kianda mutinyino 12 umwaka no gwechiri bere 25 chinsa ni sato kuru asobo gatagati bumwecho Nairobi aiga sensi ya Kenya na kwariga ndendo nsia sore tusange na kumanya nararia ya aenekiwe asiri tukeriga abego nararia ya bariki baito bamangana basangiriri kuru asemambi yarenge ntambi nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ondigi asiri bagaria bakombwate sekuru ase studio ya kabere twagosabiro oikaranso ikobe na intu kurbono oikomo erio mesema yakuru ensoko chinsa isato achakira bono. Karibu sana na ino mwanchumu rigereria bono roboti toko chakana roro goichania hasumo ichano nyara koba gokubwata ensumo gasorero ime yomo chibuo gembo ewodi abo chitendere nsemo ibunge abo machoge cha se county ya Kisii maiga yomo gakabwe maka yaigatwa gutoka gasireti obogima bwaye hasuku eruta egesimaime ukwana nensoko TV umogaka wenkeyo Evans Oyaro niko bono aenekia unanyagosira ni gataro chikaine kurwa chinga kichiri tukurigoro wikira bono buna banyora chiroboti buna nigo asireti obogima bwaye asegesimekyo muri kito Dominic Konderi agotomanya senchira wikirana
umubere bw'umusacha yo mwasirite Evans Oyaro nigo toka imegesima chinyumba cyoko menyeme yo chibuo gembe county ya Kisii asekagire buna nigo nyagosira aswete ko rusieke byuki yagwete imegesimekeiga asomo nyene chinyumba chigatwera semana niga kora mwanya gosireke borogi ko rusieke byegesimekeme asabo igato manyinga tamanye tichinga kinyagosira chite ko rusieke byekeiga
aba bamenye tabakanga kirenga kebuyuke likiabuto kireki achirensa Oyaro nkorandu seriale bona agachikorusi igoro na binamwa kerete simya ja kurusi bona kerna ja bono mambya nanyora kianga kiaye kira hachigo cheke nanyora umuberole kurinde nagenda bumo clan erida chako erongo so sabani korali teri tukulitangani korarusi ya
tubolete chinsa chia maragoba chakera saa 10 saa 11 ase family na litwabuta moroji kolende yaikire bono mambi tukurangirwa ngano ala sigisimama ntura nyora chance obiyanga igintu kiamore nteta sigisimama angireki ne kireki amore kiageretaga kukurwa sigisimama angireki ntura manyango yo balenge ko magwe esega sine nginoru yoyo kolendo monyene chinyombe cyatotebiringa nero umurangiriti amorenta abaje kolega sinere
amatenya gosire yasabire serikali gukora butukibwa yasenchira bwango elikomanya ekere tobogima bomwanchio base bono batarayigena ekekorekiga
engole ye okoranga yalenge gwasi ekerutwaicha konyorore gwasi nainde asago tebekana ite tugucho negento kitekenyerere sana ekebuchero gyoka kego swaime kibono tutusinyire kumanyanga ngakyumuntu ali konyarekana aiti kupaka tokeime nyonyene ngolie kungusa maji kurume yalengo abantu aiga samenye tonde tayo totebeti oyo muigorrete agaswaime ntora atebiwa kolende twatigire police etotebia mangana yuwe kitokora
umubero nyagosira nigo rusi gwasegesimeke igana gokobogo chia senkeni nyagitari ene ogembo kirabono botukibene bwacha kigwe ko reporter getseni kiago nambe mogien soko TV kurogege umachibuo gembo gotoka gaiga se ward ya bochitendere bunge ya machoge chache county ya Kisii ritarane Dominic Onderi Nyabuto
Tokoskabosyo mwancho murigeria MMC bwe wadi ye rigoma mushimiwa Nyambeka Gisesa nigo bono asabira bamenye be county ya Nyamira wasoa sechisako au erie serikali ya Nyamira ibasire ne chilingi milioni ya mocho kwegendaria ka ukwana service yaye hasenseme ye rigoma hechiro ya keroka ensemo bunge ya Kitutu Masaba se county yo isasa nigo bona atebirenga county ya Nyamira nigo yaegwa ogosira kurwase ebyombe au nabona abaremi nigo babwente kwene kyankwebeka bari ya heri kwegendera no muruberio yo Steven Yariki agotomanya senchiro wikirana
muna enjereyemo yoko basira bamenye banyamira kebesa nigo MMC werigoma Nyambeka Gisesa eso kirena gosaba bamenyi weso yasichisako eri serikali ye county ya Nyamira ebatotereri chilingi milioni eyemo igoro yaye
asiri Nyambeka Gisesa MMC werigoma ward ditkoria rero nande twatware meeting ya rigoma ward community development sako naba tureti right once naba kampito once ngancho MMC werigoma ward nande ngantwe county ya Nyamira twatetia abantu baito on the need yogo so sako go save korora na kitora kinde go chimutu papa se meeting mukonya te andu baito kono ndo wade sako asemo go save ngago go save 1 million shillings na nto account ko project to wate o comment to another 1 million shillings and they going to very proud whatever such ward 20 Nyamira County Rigoma ward ya qualify among the first 10 abo irechiwe secho kulono chase members babo ona bongo te andu itamanya biasara abari onde boens pio korara siende onse
asomoroberio yonge wase wodi Erigoma ibere gati echiwodi 10 chiangere korwari kabesao igo esegeto ya bekrwa sabarimi weso kya sobonge eri kwerikia na konyore siro ya chinsiaga emetanane chindani gati emeroberiende bekirense ya serikali ya county ya Nyamira
agrate ne bate emeroberio menge tuwate grant kia gracha ekitoja kwa abantu chinsiaga kuja kwa bato richingo ko emetana artificial links chirichoko rosi chinsu bane chida mungo rostore chipro de ne chinge chire njanyoru wake lakini chance ri once one ngase wodi chigenderete to babekira abantu bari mchindani chinge ya alongside kunya go promote and mass band might influence to kora in the last financial year corona kiburi mboito we meyama wa ufugaji wa wanyama na crops woko genda na kuchimutu
Nyambega Gisesa nigo boigatebire nga nigo e county yabekire omoroberio boko gare ichichiro hanena mono ase wode Erigoma na boigo ase bunge ya Kitutuma Saba eriyo kwene kinga omoremi konyorare echiro ase akwoneria ebimeri byaye
ase county ngonya karo store cold storage facilities nebintu binde bira support ndo value chains kero was mikire bintu na kitoko provided market Kentekia to Arosre market gari keroka konya bari meito and want to expand the same Arimeta Mayo junction. We are doing a small market so ndio tuanze tubeka se Messi na matoke ne bintu binde for travelers para ndo uchi Nairobi bago pikirikuru na kerebe se yachire bayetumye buye banya gusave they continue saving kiri konyoraga ke kwa invest and kwa kiri konyore profit was because money is there abantu mbara very beneficiaries na so nchiro ron yakwa te batu aromo yo and when encourage ke oliake na ke kwanza that saving culture.
Stephen Nyarikie Mbonde, Ensoko TV, Rigoma, county ya Nyamira.
Tukoska busio mancho morigari abamenyi bensemo ya Igembe ni kutoka sensemo y'ebunge abo machoge borabu ase county ya Kisii nigo bayasokire na kora kyo gotaisaneka kwabo igoro hyo kubora gukwagacho we school yo bobundi asensemo yo nigo bono bayasabira serikali kwango yemeroberio eyo kubamanya ninki kegendrete bataragachirwa school eyo ya iremi egekakimya kemerongo ebosege kakimya ke 15 gesa batabigwa buna nechi kwagacho ase chinsemo echo muri kito weekly forenge na roboti rasenjiro boikera
Nabamenyi bensemo ya Igembe iyo gotoka magena ensemo y'ebunge ya machoge barabu county ya Kisii. Ubesokire ebikorobekana asogotesaneka kwabo igoro yo kubura ko kwagacha we school y'ebomundi asenseme yo.
Kungaina nayo kurarose. Ikorarose ngaki ya narose standard. Boiyo ekarakia kama hali ompa samboro botakartiga ntoki ekomite kagenda ekacho egakora research ekareta oburi mompa kartiga ntoki boro ekara twale to oburi murende tukaira so mwesi migo rengo ranga rende enamba oburi mumware bateba twabanya asinga tutore political government serikali ya kisiasa nande kigakuro tacho kikawoncho libatu aligeta magena ekarukubu machoke borabu kwene technical institute amangana achiro ku mwaka 2010 na mwaka 2015 myaka ngorote ya 15
asengenche yo nigo banyara ko baba go isokia rikorobekana rikorokia ogoteseneka kwabo
ona igetira kumbiria go eliete ligese magena gesaba ku mwali ruete number 1 esenge ko ndu ora andire sabako ambo kono mwaka elike tukelia kabere mwaka ndalia
Moti chase ngento to igule ngente kanande kiaunjo kurwa kiachire moino make rike chiko kinigwa. Aitwa atara somai. Yes.
Waigo nigo bagoserere buna nigo barachi kugenderera kurubikana guika bamanyi gwiguru ya skuru eyo yali Mombasa Technical.
Ikotorega moto ali chi bujoko tabanga ekurende itara tara ibukuru kweka no yeli bitu kaboro niri mwote tukuboro. Nabako sio boli.
Onyana boni go mokonyi bo chifu ensemeyo abasaba bamenye abo otorera chinkoro chiabo no nyene cyaro bagenda tukorotota amangana institute eyo.
Baba represented wanafuatilia wale wakufuatilia mbakala teki mbaro naande mbaleke bebo komanye kigakala teki naande komente ino maramba sebinyo aseke nyoro geito gai neba ingana moko iguti rumas mo basa okala rumas mo basa ko wachi embe ya mangata mo maite embe ya mangata nara
bakuru machoga bo na maate barukwa bo maate kuru bo chibomba ba machoga bo ejaru ku machoga bomba ba ekoro bati kokora maate ntige gekabanga bono muntu yungu busarenda arobore umuntu busarenda obore monimo no mukubu rands oteneta amaremo the western region akatoe notice akateba tare tisa ngo chare sai acheko koragentuki acheko na nobore
Wano obotoereru nigo bogonairie asensemeyo na serikali kwangu yemerobiryo yo komanya amenyabo iguru yeskuru eyo yali Mombasa. Inkuripoteri Soko TV ko Rwegembe Magena ensemu yebunge mochago barabu e county ya Kisii ereteriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Panchomo rigaria togosuka bosio nigo bono eskuru ya maigerio yobobundi ya Kisii erigetie kubwaterana neskuru emo yokurwa maigeria yobobundi ya Signet Institute kurwa senseria ya Austria aniga ene kiwano Mombasa bwensi ya Kenya sense yo ya Austria Wilson Kogo asokubwaterana no mwalimu mane bweskuru yokubwatoka maigerio yobobundi ya Kisii John Akola asabano basabira abaibori naboroki wagwe sokya kweneke munankweri kyabare erigo chikonyora ha maigeria yebirengo bigorara chikoba konya kwenyora mabagaye chigasega sense ya Kenya abigo chinse chisko unagotumanya muri kitopethwel machine
Munincheremo yo kweneke basaingo nyara bara maigere na boiga masomo haraba konye kwirike miremo anemono chinse chisiko na bogense ya Kenya Nigolsukerero Mombasa bwensi ya Kenya go chinse Australia Kogo arengo magene bwisikaso kubekwese yo kuigwana na nekyomiga Signet Institute Australia amaneskuri yobundi ya Kisii erekweneke aborukwa nkonyara bare gukora imirimo chinse chisiko.
We are positioning Kenya in such a way that going into the future then we can tap into the low-hanging fruits in every other region, not just Australia alone. But as I'm talking to you, we have very good relationship with Australia, and we are thinking that if we did very well in the area of training and make sure that our training is up to the global standards, up to the Australian accreditation, then definitely going into the future, labor mobility will be a reality. And this is where we are focused on.
Okwa na seskuru yo nigo Dr. Kogo asingiriro buyabwa masomo amaya yekerero erego ikera chinse cheisiko asamabaga yemeremo asabasae.
We must not think average. We must be able to think that it is possible to move to the next level. But the enabler here is education, having the right training. So if we are going to be Singapore tomorrow and the days to come, which I believe is possible, then we must be able to make sure that our youth can be enabled to participate in supporting the economy and also make sure that they get opportunities not only here but also outside there.
Sense maya mworokyo maneno bweskuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic John Akola nigo ariganiro kubwateranoko na Signet edio korosi amabaga mange yemeroma asabasae.
We are really happy to have our ambassador here, and we want to thank the government of Australia and also the government of Kenya for this partnership that we have at Kisii National Polytechnic and Signet Institute of Australia. This is a partnership that is going to create more opportunity for our young people within the region to get jobs outside the country and also skill them even for the local industry. We are very grateful to the ministry for giving us support so that we can be able to sign agreement and collaborations with Signet Institute of Australia.
Mobisa bobwerenia bweskuru ya Signet Institute Mr. Ali nigonere asingirire buna okonyora emirimo chinse chisiko wika abasaye baigwe amagiri abwenderete yekerero.
But when we talk about labor mobility, it should be powered by skilled recognition. Otherwise, labor mobility won't work. So we need to give them skilled, which is recognized across the world. That's why Signet is here, to deliver that qualification at a fraction of price at home in Kenya, at Kisii Polytechnic and other 7 polytechnics that we partner with. So we are very proud that we are part of this bigger picture where Kenya is trying to move up with the skilled labor going abroad and bringing opportunities back home.
Asibono abaiboli baborigo kolikaba na babo asemorberio.
The people within the region, we call upon you that you bring as many Kenyans youth who are willing to come and study here. We are running the second cohort, which will start in January. The current cohort that we have comprises of about 22 trainees who are actually undergoing the training for 52 weeks. And after 52 weeks, they'll be able to be awarded different skills with accreditation from the Australian government. And therefore, they are able to work, be employed, and get job visas to Australia.
Kupoteria Ensoko TV kurwasi skuru yobobundi ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.
Tukuskabosio mwancho murigari ya kiombegio kwegera obwene bwa mwanyabantu gya Kenya National Commission of Human Rights nigo giasokire na kubwatu koroboti ruaye rumwaka bwikiri bubere 2025 seba kwanire abananchi abangi nigo bakonyora chinga kichinko ngukero bakuriya obwene bwabo nabono nigo batebirwe kira mu Kenya ndobwensi na bwente konyora obwene bwaye korengana ne katiba.
The commission documented 57 violations on the right to life. These include the killing of a human rights defender, one Richard Otieno in Molo. There was a question on the number of deaths in the by-election, and we've documented 3. So 2 of them were from Kasipul, Kabondo, during the by-elections. And then there was one there was a 70-year-old in a stampede in Kabuchai. So those are the 3 deaths that we've been able to document. 2 in Kasipul and 1 in Kabuchai.
The commission monitored these by-elections and they were kept out of 2 tallying centers, Chicago Primary School in Mbeere North and Mumboni Northward. They were kept out of those tallying centers and therefore we cannot make a decision on whether the elections were free and fair because we were denied.
Mwancho murigeria soroboti ronde rokubwateka no kwegera obwene bwa mwanyabantu nigo bono hekiombeke mogi kwegera obwene bwa mwanyabantu giesokire na gukwandra buna umwaka oyiga bwechiri bubere 2025 nigo oenekirie omubaro bw'abantu bamenyete asense ebirengo bisatu iguru yenye nigo bamenyete ase chinse kiri kigendete kwenekia hogoturubanirwa na bigoko okundirirwa uko obwene bwa mwanyabantu asibono basabira abananchi ase chinse chonsi nigo bwente kwenekerirwa konyora obwene bwabo korengana n'irichiko ne katiba yense yabo.
Now Africa is at crossroads. This year's report paints a sobering picture. Many African states remain classified as repressed or closed. And we know where we are. That the struggle for civic freedoms in Africa is nothing less than the struggle for the soul of our nations. So it's in a context where our governments are deliberately ignoring domestic, municipal, and international law in dealing with citizens. So this is intentional, not anything accidental. What is the meaning of civic freedom today? Civic freedom is not an abstract concept. It is the air that democracy breathes. Journalists face surveillance, physical attacks, and criminalization for doing their jobs. When the press is intimidated, truth becomes a casualty. And when people fear their own government, nationhood collapses.
We have attacks on journalists, documented in at least 16 countries. Uganda is increasingly becoming one of those countries where the attacks on journalists are being increasingly documented. So what happens is journalists go to either cover protests, journalists go to cover rallies, electoral rallies, and sometimes even just events such as football matches. And they are attacked either by security officers or also by just citizens in general.
The key issues across 33 countries, attacks on journalists in at least 16 countries, and therefore you're here not just to take account of this great day, but also to note that you are a voice that has to continue pushing back. The media has to continue pushing back, and we really just want to thank you for the role that you play.
The securities agents, because these are the enablers of these abductions. Without the telephone companies, there is no way they can be able to track the movements. So as we are dealing with the state repression, let us also deal with the enablers of the state repression. I just want to say that at this moment in time, I think it's about time that the people of East Africa came together as a way of insulating ourselves against bad governance.
There are technology companies that are enabling these violations. There are companies, corporate companies that are enabling these violations and all that. So there is also, we should also focus intensely on enablers of state repression. Technology companies, corporate companies, and other actors behind the state that actually enable these violations.
Nigo tokumanyigwa huna umweshimiwa Mike Sonko nigo bono achakirie asenjera bene kiama kiae kia gisiasa kiara cheko baga kwenekia unankwirubiriare here na mona babwatani baya se kiama kyo kwirubiria gwikirania asoba chojo bone buri bose bo mwaka bwechiri bubere 2022
Noyo kabiro magavana gwe county ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Sonko niga kwaniro guchakiwa gwe kiame keje gya siasa aso bisiene no murikyo manene bwe bya maiga somo cho manene Nairobi.
The grassroots, we are going to involve everybody, every Kenya, Mkenya yote ule atakuwa mtu wetu ya karibu. We have engaged a team of professionals, we have technocrats, we have watu wako na specialists in economic matters. So going forward, people should expect a very big change from our party, unlike the other parties which come with empty promises, giving false promises to Kenyans. Ours is kuleta uongozi mashinani. So guys should expect a very, very big change. We have seen the kind of team we have engaged in our interim leadership. Yeah, we have
engaki eyo Sonko narere bigocha bayetera sesa bari kwigore kiamekyo abwase boigarari abara intenenera.
We are very glad the office of the Registrar of Political Parties has issued us with a full registration of our party, National Economic Development Party of Kenya. We started this journey in 2019, and then we lodged the documents in these offices in 2020. It has not been an easy journey, and I take this opportunity to thank the office of the Registrar of Political Parties and its entire team, our founder members. I think they are here with me, and there are no new faces to you guys. For instance, our chairman is none other than Dr. Nyamu. Dr. Nyamu is a non-gynecologist. He used to be my director at Pumwani Hospital during my tenure as the governor of Nairobi. Then we have our SG, Ben Mulwa here. He also used to be my PA. We have Honorable Nancy. We have a team of Gen Zs here. We have the Kemu president, Madam Masai, who is the deputy party leader. We have another thing here, Mr. Manyara. We have Vice Chair Dr. Rashid. So you can see we have the whole face of Kenya.
Voi gobara ibwe kiama gya National Economic Development Party gwetero marikyo manene Ben Mulwa niga orokiriga ngayo korega sinaba Kenya bonsi na kwena kyobora yobuya.
That gives the ordinary Kenyan
a political party formed by Kenyans for Kenyans that is aimed at revolutionizing our politics and causing the next economic revolution in this country. There is no doubt that our country has been headed in the wrong direction for the last 6 decades. But finally, the people of Kenya have risen, and we have an opportunity to change our governance and create a political party that grants an opportunity to each and every citizen of this republic, regardless of where you come from. Lastly and most important,
Economic Development Party ile inashughulikia uchumi wa mwananchi wa Kenya, na slogan yetu ni uchumi na mwananchi. Leo ni
because as the youth of this country we have decided we no longer want just a seat at the table. We want to be planning the menu.
Inyora ayani gachirekere byamange myaye mubirikira service yo murikyo monene we byamaiga Kenya.
I agree. I've exhausted my appeals, but I've not exhausted my reviews. I have new evidence that has come. The mover of my impeachment and Asama was intimidated to lie about me. Yeah.
Julia Obuba, Ensoko TV.
Mwancho murigeria asoroboti ruaye Mike Sonko na guchaki kiama kia siasa na rugo tuikiase chidagike chiga chemerongevere na isano neyemo chinsa isato chabona botuko na boigo no tuikiro mwerio wemesa yama yakuru Ensoko chinsa isato wakirembo yamana soko sanganintwe kurwa toga chagite kwikira chinga kichiga asetwanya rako batugwesemia aya enekiwe otwara botukobya oi ogenda kwego kenemero beregenda sembeo ye Ensoko TV Nyasaye kawanja itukoria anke mwancho murigara ni itukoria Jumatano na buno maite itukoria Jumatano ni chinga kichogo sanga asensemeria yeringana ryeke moya na boigo amangana maiya kurwa ensa eyamo na boigo chinsa isato tochikomerana nere Edwin Nyangagu achi gotobwata sia kwene kyangu ikentoro murubiri asenchirengia Frida Kerubo no ara asomo timoka kego korende Jumatano yeikeria ekurunse na achi kobana into asensemeyo yeringana ryeke moya tosange ase opoimego andonsia sore Frida Kerubo korengia no gendete kwego kya aso kuyarigana sumo igoiga bwesuguku na ndenekia unankwira nore emirimo akore ase enchira ere engia nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi aseli bagaria ya Brian Achaka Felistas Kabendi na boigo John Kebati kurase studio akabera baina kiamere gine chibichango chara ase enchira engia tomera na sembe Nyasaye kawanja.